Hello. It's day 20 on the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, and today is one of my favorites. Today, we are LOLing. What is LOL, you ask? No, it's just a load of laundry, but you're welcome to laugh while you do it. That's always fun. Okay, so for today's challenge, we'll be going to do a load of laundry, and moving forward, endeavor to do one every single day if your family size allows. For example, if you're just 1 or 2 people, you might not have a whole load in a day unless you use a color catcher and match the colors together. I like to wash them cold, so generally the colors do not run, but you do what's best for you and your family. But if you can do a load of laundry every single day, I highly encourage you to do so. It keeps things very in control. When I started doing a load of laundry every single day, things have drastically changed for my household and I no longer have to slave away the weekends doing loads of laundry back to back. I always try to find at least one full load to put every single day. Otherwise, I do rather save the time. Besides, like I said, I always wash on cold water, so that way it helps to reduce with the money as well. Not to mention, my family always has fresh and clean clothes, and 1 load a day for me is easier to do than 1 or 2 loads a week, because laundry is not just putting the clothes in the machine. We also have to dry them, fold them, and put them away. But the Fly Lady does recommend doing a load every single day, and I have to agree. She says it keeps Mount Washmore away, the big monstrous laundry pile, and absolutely true. Ever since I started doing a load of laundry every single day, things have been much more in control, and that's one less thing to worry about. So go ahead and grab your load, and let's LOL today. Once you're done doing your load of laundry, don't forget to comment done for your chance to win the prize. And wow, we are already on day 20. Can you believe it? Before you know it, we will be all done. I hope you're picking up these great habits. You know, in the morning, you get to adjust the shoes, do a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest. We get to delete 15 minutes worth of emails if it applies. We also get to do one of the fun Fly Lady missions. And now we're adding a load of laundry. Don't forget that the whole entire day we're turning the negative thoughts into positive thoughts. And yesterday we added slowing down, using our timers and focusing. And in the evening we get to pick out our clothes for the next day, shine our sink, also a 2-minute hot spot and a 5-minute room rescue. And do not forget to get to bed on time. Please, once again, check out the video on the budgeting. It is so super useful, especially now that the holidays are coming. I highly recommend you to watch it if you can. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.